We're here today with Matt Manning from Matt Manning Services to talk about 3 ways to make your custom home successful in the tile and flooring area. So Matt, thank you for having us today, and let's jump right into it. First off, one of the biggest mistakes that we talk about that clients make, frankly, when coming in to, they have three custom baths, 3 showers, kitchen, flooring. What's the biggest mistake they usually make?
Budget's probably one of the biggest things that we run into.
Yeah.
So normally they have an allotted budget with their builder. So if you give us the blueprint ahead of time and then you tell us what the budget is,
right,
when the customer comes in, we can kind of steer them in the direction of what they can get, that really fits their home, for the right price.
Right. Yeah, the showroom can be overwhelming. You have penny tile, subway tile, up to 5 foot by 10 foot slabs that you can put on the walls or on the floor. So they also, along with budget, is in that same umbrella is knowing what they like.
Correct. You definitely want to look online, get some inspiration photos, kind of know a little bit of what your taste is before you come in. Otherwise, it is definitely overwhelming.
Because you'll be here hours.
You will be.
Days.
Yeah. Which is fine. We're happy to, we have in-house designers. We're happy to kind of point you in the directions until you, figure out what you want.
Now, the second big thing a lot of people want to know is what's popular right now. So in flooring and tile, what's the new thing in the market?
I think for us, the biggest thing is the large format. So we're doing a lot of the 5 foot by 10 foot, 4 foot by 9 foot panels. They can be used for showers, fireplaces. We're making bathtubs freestanding out of them.
Oh, wow.
Vanities. So there's a lot of things that you can kind of get away with those.
And do they have coordinating tiles in smaller sizes?
They do. So most companies will make like a 24 by 48, 24 by 24, and mosaic.
Okay.
So you could do a matte tile on the floor, a mosaic in the
cool.
shower pan, and then use the large format in the walls.
And something we just did in a wine cellar was we actually put one of the huge slabs up and backlit it.
Yes.
And they have those backlit slabs as well.
They do. There's a new company that does have a porcelain backlit, but you could always go with a natural stone backlit panels as well.
Very cool, very cool. And the last thing that we want to talk about that makes, I think, the finish of the project so successful is the finish book and the designers that you have in-house. Will you tell us a little bit about those? And
so what we like to do is to keep confusion for once the customer makes a selection here, and then it gets to the job site to be installed. So we make a finish book with the pictures of what the tile is, where it goes, what grout color it gets, and then we also do 3D renderings with your blueprints where we can take a picture of the tile, we can upload it exactly how it's going to be installed.
Right.
You can see if it's a brick joint, a diagonal, straight lay, but then you tape the picture to the wall, so when your installers go to do the installation, there's no confusion. Nobody puts the wrong tile in the wrong bathroom. Right. It's everything's ready.
It helps with construction, but also with clients. I know so many times we have custom clients that it's so hard to see from a little, 1x1 section put together with another 1x1 section and a big piece of tile behind it. This is what your bathroom's going to look like. Sure. So your 3D rendering can actually show them everything. This is what your whole bathroom's going to look like.
Yeah, you'll visually see what the floor tile looks like with the shower pan, with the walls.
That's great. Yeah, what a neat idea. Client comes in with a vision. They can, have all kinds of different tiles that can play into that vision, and then they can see that vision realized before we actually install it and put it in the house. That would make a successful home, just at least in the flooring and tile area.
Cool. No, it's definitely helped us and helped our customers really visualize before they get nervous about pulling the trigger.
Well, we've really appreciated both you and your designers' help as we've sent clients in to build custom homes. Just the service and the quality of inventory that you have in here is awesome. So thank you very much.
Yeah, thanks. It's been great working with you.
I appreciate it. Well, there you have it, folks. 3 ways to make your flooring and tile selections successful in your new custom home. Stay tuned while we see these selections being installed in our current projects.